Hello friends, I'm back today. Today is Friday. Thank you so much for viewing my channel, liking my channel and also sharing my channel. But now I will request you do subscribe my channel too. I am Sunita Paul from Wellness Nutrition Hub. Today I'll be talking about child obesity. Child obesity is a serious health threat to children today. Children with obese condition are at a risk for a number of chronic health conditions. This childhood obesity can continue into an adulthood too. To prevent childhood obesity, try to follow a few practices. Now first let us talk about the childhood obesity. When a child is obese, okay, the child is obese. You think that plumpy child is a very good child, he is a healthy child, and you admire his plumpiness. When you catch his cheeks, you love to hold it because they are very chubby cheeks. But I would like to say that chubbiness is not because of the flesh in his body, but it is because of the fats in his body. Maybe when your child is going to school, he is walking around, he can't walk with the other students who are thin or who are healthy. So they will just give a taunt. A child from front or a child from back. They will laugh at his obesity. What will happen to the child? The child will fall into depression slowly, because he is not in a habit of hearing such things. He is being loved at home for his chubbiness, for his plumpiness, but on the road, people are laughing at him. When he is going to the school, the children are participating in running. He is not able to run that fast because his knees keep on knocking at each other. Maybe there are some other problems too. He is not able to dance like the other boys and girls because of his overweight. So, when he is not able to perform the normal functions like the other children, what will happen? The child will stop going to school. He will avoid schooling. He will avoid friends because they are making fun of him. This can lead to depression too. Sulking behind, not coming out of the house. No. Parents, take care and see that your child doesn't have to face all these things. So take few practices into habit. Active school acceleration projects. Here we have to increase the quality-based physical activity in the school. When the children are doing the physical activity, this child should also do. Mothers, please encourage your overweight child that saying something or the other. You eat this, you do this, maybe you will become much better than before. You will be more active, isn't it? Now, healthy kids, when they are out of school, we have to promote their simple principles. Drink right, move more, snack smart. These are the three things which a parent should teach every child. The child doesn't drink water, he will go for soft drinks, which are adding to his weight, which is not good for him. There is lot of salt, lot of sugar, color, adulterant and preservative. Make him in a habit of drinking plain water instead of those soft drinks. Move more. If he would like, because of his weight, the child may not move around much, but make him move. Make him do all the small things that are possible. And the same thing when the child is out of home, on the ground, in the ground, or anywhere else. Snack smart. Now this snacking smart includes the fruits, not the chips, not the kurkures, because they all add to the obesity of the child. The parents too will have to monitor these principles for their children. In this way, obesity in later age can be avoided. Maybe the child is overweight now, but at a later age, this obesity can give rise to many other problems in their life because he has made a practice of this kind of habits as his lifestyle. So we have to change the child's lifestyle so that the child can be better, fit, healthy at his adult age. The restaurant initiatives. First of all, avoid eating at restaurants. If at all they insist, they try reducing the calorie intake at home. Follow? Children love to go and eat at restaurant. Avoid restaurant eating. Make some excuses and make the food so tasty at home that the child will prefer to eat at home only. Tell him how the things are being prepared at restaurant. Show him the videos of the reality of, well, forget about this, but make him understand that the fruits and vegetables will be better. And if at all the child is still insisting on restaurant eating, order the food which are lower in calories, or make low calorie food at home so that the child enjoys the food outside without upsetting his mood or without you being nagged that you haven't given him his choice. A fast initiative. What you have to do is, do you want your child to remain active till he goes to sleep? Then try giving your child a well balanced nutritious shake having all the requirements that a child's body needs, and then a bit more fruits and vegetables should be in their habit. Thank you so much for listening to me. Seeing you next Friday. Okay, have a good time.